ESChat supports live and historical location tracking while in call and allows users to customize their map view. This video is an overview of the Map tab. If you wish to skip to a topic, see the timestamps listed in the description below. The top bar shows the Layers icon, the Map Refresh pin, the Zoom lock, the Track Mode button, and the context of the map. We'll begin by making a PTT call from the map. To make a PTT call, first check the Context Filter Selection option, which determines which users are displayed on your map. All contacts will display contacts who are signed in and reporting their location. To call all contacts, simply push the PTT button and see the Context Filter Selection option change from All Contacts to an ad hoc call. End the call by expanding the call widget, then deselect RX and TX. To call a single contact, select the location pin of the contact you wish to call. You may now press the PTT button. See the Context Filter Selection option change from All Contacts to a single contact's name. Again, end the call by expanding the call widget and deselecting RX and TX. We'll now cover the map tools, starting with the Layers icon. Tap the icon to expand. The Layers icon contains the map backgrounds, the cluster threshold slider bar, and the Context Filter Selection option. To change the map background, you may choose from 3 modes: Standard, Hybrid, and Satellite. The cluster threshold slider bar sets contacts in the same vicinity to group together. This is helpful if you need to know with a quick glance how many users are in a location. Sliding the bar to the right will display a number for the contacts within the given area. Slide the bar to the left and it will display a location pin for each user within close proximity. Adjust the bar to your desired level. The Context Filter Selection option determines which users are displayed on your map. Check the display to see which preset is selected. All contacts will display contacts who are signed in and reporting their location. The Context Filter option can also display a single contact name for a private one-to-one call, a channel name for a channel call, or ad hoc for a one-to-many call. To return to all contacts, simply select the Show All Contacts option. The Pin Refresh icon will refresh the screen with the last presence update available from the server. Zoom Lock keeps the view of the map stable on its current focus and will show red when engaged. The tracking icon will center based on your current location. If you change locations, the map will follow, keeping your location at the center of the map display. You may disable the lock by manually moving your screen. For additional support, visit the ESChat support page.